Post-market monitoring is crucial for ensuring the ongoing safety and effectiveness of therapeutic goods, even after they've been approved and released to the market. As healthcare professionals, we play a vital role in this process by closely monitoring patients' experiences with these products and reporting any potential issues or adverse events. This allows regulatory authorities to quickly identify and address any emerging safety concerns, helping to protect public health. We'll explore some of the key tools and risk management strategies used in post-market monitoring, as well as the specific responsibilities of different healthcare stakeholders. By working together, we can help maintain the high standards of quality and safety that patients deserve from the therapeutic goods they rely on. Post-market monitoring is the continuous evaluation of the safety and efficacy of therapeutic goods once they're on the market. The purpose is to manage any risks associated with individual products. Outcomes of post-market monitoring can include changes to product information, safety alerts, or even product recalls if issues are identified. Post-market monitoring is a critical part of the life cycle of a therapeutic product, helping to ensure its ongoing safety and effectiveness. It allows regulators and manufacturers to stay vigilant and respond quickly to any emerging concerns. Post-market monitoring is crucial because not all risks can be identified before a medical device is registered and approved for use. Real-world use of the device can reveal issues that were not discovered during the clinical trial process. Continuous monitoring and assessment allows for ongoing improvements to ensure the long-term safety and effectiveness of the product. This allows us to make adjustments and take action to address any emerging safety concerns that arise once the device is in widespread use. Post-market surveillance is a vital part of the lifecycle management for medical devices, helping us ensure the highest standards of patient safety. Vioxx was initially approved as an anti-inflammatory drug, but a post-market study later found an increased risk of cardiovascular events after 18 months of treatment. Due to these safety concerns, Vioxx was ultimately withdrawn worldwide in 2004. This case study highlights the importance of closely monitoring drug safety, even after initial approval, and acting quickly to protect patient health when serious risks emerge. The dramatic image of pills spilling out of a prescription bottle with a red warning label helps set the tone for this serious topic. Post-market monitoring is crucial for ensuring the ongoing safety of medical products. There are three key tools we use for this. Adverse event reporting: health professionals and consumers report any unexpected reactions or side effects. Data analysis: the TGA closely analyzes these reports to identify potential safety signals that need further investigation. Further studies: when a safety concern is identified, we conduct additional research to fully understand the issue and determine the appropriate response. Risk assessment is a key part of the evaluation process conducted by the TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. The TGA looks at risks at a population level to understand the overall impact. When analyzing benefits, it's important that the potential benefits outweigh any possible adverse events. The context of the treatment is also an important consideration. Higher risks may be acceptable for terminal illnesses. Continuous monitoring is essential to maintain safety standards and make adjustments as needed. Adverse events are critical incidents that can occur with medicines or medical devices. For medicines, an adverse event is any event that could result in serious injury, illness, or even death. For medical devices, adverse events include any difficulties or malfunctions, such as operational problems or repeated repairs. It's important to carefully monitor and report any adverse events, as this helps improve the safety and quality of healthcare products. Understanding what constitutes an adverse event is a key part of ensuring patient safety and effective medical treatment. As healthcare professionals, we play a crucial role in ensuring the safe and effective use of medical devices. One of our key responsibilities is to closely monitor our patients for any unexpected reactions or issues with the devices they are using. If we notice anything concerning, it's important that we report these suspected adverse events to the regulator. This helps them track potential problems and take appropriate action. Additionally, we need to educate our patients about the potential risks associated with their medical devices, and empower them to report any issues they experience. By fulfilling these monitoring, reporting, and educating duties, we can help improve the overall safety and quality of medical devices for the benefit of our patients. Serious reactions to medicines are important to report, even if they are unexpected or severe. This helps us monitor the safety of medications. Interactions between different medicines can also be very serious and should be reported, so we can better understand how drugs interact. Issues or faults with medical devices that have caused or could cause harm to patients are critical to report. This allows us to identify and address problems with devices. Reporting these types of safety concerns helps improve healthcare for everyone. It's an important part of monitoring the safety of medicines and medical devices. The key distinction here is between reportable events and well-known side effects. Reportable events are unexpected or severe reactions that are not listed as known side effects. These need to be reported to the relevant authorities. In contrast, common side effects like tiredness from painkillers or nausea from antibiotics do not need to be reported. It's important to be able to recognize the difference in order to fulfill our reporting obligations. The left column outlines what should be reported, while the right column gives examples of what does not need to be reported. The regulators are working to increase reporting from both health professionals and consumers to get a more complete picture of adverse events. RMPs are living documents that cover the entire product lifecycle, requiring continuous monitoring and updating. They outline the risk management systems in place for high-risk medicines and biologicals. RMPs help address issues and risks that may not have been discovered during clinical trials, providing real-world insights. Maintaining and updating RMPs is crucial to proactively managing risks throughout a product's lifespan. The key elements of a risk management plan, RMP, are the safety specification, pharmacovigilance activities, and risk minimization activities. The safety specification outlines the known and potential safety concerns associated with the product. The pharmacovigilance activities detail the plans for monitoring and collecting safety information on the product. The risk minimization activities describe the strategies that will be implemented to minimize the risks associated with the use of the product. These three components work together to proactively manage the risks of a medical product and ensure patient safety. Reviewing these key elements is crucial for understanding how the risks of a product will be identified, monitored, and mitigated throughout its lifecycle. Safety signals refer to information that suggests a potential link between a product and an adverse event. The process of handling safety signals involves three key steps: detecting signals, identifying potential issues through data monitoring and analysis, assessing signals, evaluating the evidence to determine if further investigation is warranted, responding to signals, taking appropriate action based on the assessment, such as further study or regulatory reporting. This multi-step process is crucial for ensuring product safety and protecting public health. Adverse event reports are a critical source of information. We review reports submitted by healthcare professionals and consumers to identify potential safety signals. We also monitor data from international sources and regulatory bodies around the world to get a global view of any emerging issues. In addition, we conduct a thorough review of published literature and post-approval research to uncover any new findings that could indicate a safety concern. By combining these multiple data sources, we can start to detect early signals that may require further investigation. The key aspects to assess when evaluating a potential safety signal are the nature, magnitude, health significance, and risk-benefit analysis. First, we need to determine the type and characteristics of the potential safety problem. What is the nature of the adverse event? Next, we assess the scale and frequency of the adverse event. What is the magnitude or scale of the problem? Then we evaluate the impact on patient health and well-being. What is the health significance of this issue? Finally, we consider the overall impact on the product's risk-benefit profile. Does this signal change our assessment of the risks versus benefits? Thoroughly understanding these four elements will allow us to properly characterize and respond to the potential safety signal. Responding to signals is a critical step in addressing safety issues with medical products. It's important to communicate quickly and clearly with consumers, health professionals, and industry about any problems that have been identified. In some cases, we may need to make changes to product labels or registration conditions to address the issue. If the risks are serious enough, we may need to take more drastic action like recalling the product from the market or suspending its use entirely. The goal is to act swiftly to mitigate any potential harm and protect public health. This case study highlights how a single report made a significant impact in improving patient safety. The initial report identified an issue with a yellow epidural catheter being used instead of a clear one. Further investigation revealed that both the yellow and clear catheters contained a neurotoxic plasticizer, which was a serious safety concern. The Therapeutic Goods Administration's discovery of the toxic material led to the catheter being reformulated worldwide to address this critical problem. This case demonstrates the importance of vigilant reporting and how it can drive important safety changes in the medical industry. This case study examines the withdrawal of the drug lumiricoxib from the Australian market due to serious liver injury concerns. We received 8 reports of severe liver injury, including 2 fatalities, associated with lumiricoxib use. The Therapeutic Goods Administration, TGA, investigated and found a higher rate of severe liver injury with lumiricoxib compared to similar medicines. Based on these findings, the TGA took immediate action to cancel all forms of lumiricoxib in Australia. This case highlights the importance of close monitoring and swift regulatory action when serious safety issues arise with a medication. This slide outlines the three main types of recall actions for therapeutic goods. Recall refers to the permanent removal of an affected product from the market. Recall for product correction involves repairing, modifying, or relabeling a product. Hazard alerts provide information about issues with implanted devices or biological products. It's important to understand these different recall actions and how they impact the market and consumers. Knowing the distinctions will help us respond appropriately when a recall situation arises. The Pharmacovigilance Inspection Program, or PVIP, has three key objectives: education to inform sponsors about pharmacovigilance requirements in Australia, compliance to verify that Australian sponsors are adhering to existing requirements, improvement to ensure that sponsors' systems are collecting current safety and efficacy information. Pharmacovigilance is critical for monitoring the safety and effectiveness of medicines once they're on the market. The PVIP helps ensure sponsors are meeting their obligations in this area. By educating sponsors, verifying compliance, and driving improvements, the PVIP plays a vital role in the ongoing monitoring and assessment of medicines in Australia. This slide introduces information services, which provides important safety and recall information to the public. The key services highlighted are safety alerts, timely notifications about product safety issues, recall actions, updates on product recalls and corrections, safety updates, access to medicines and medical devices safety updates, consultations, ability to participate in consultations and access publications. These services help keep the public informed and up to date on important safety information related to medical products. The image on the slide depicts a person reading health-related news on a tablet, suggesting the digital and accessible nature of these information services. I would encourage the audience to explore the information services and sign up for any relevant alerts or updates to stay informed. Health professionals are the primary source of adverse event reporting, accounting for 90% of all reports received by the TGA. General practitioners make up the largest group of reporters, submitting 55% of all reports. Hospitals and specialists also play a significant role, contributing 20% and 15% of reports respectively. Consumer reporting, while important, currently makes up only 10% of total reports received. Increasing reporting from all health professional sources is a key goal for the regulators to improve drug and device safety monitoring. Comprehensive reporting from all health professionals is crucial to identify safety signals and take appropriate regulatory action. Robust post-market monitoring is crucial for identifying potential safety issues early, before they become widespread problems. This data can inform better decision-making by healthcare providers and patients, allowing them to make more informed choices. Continuous monitoring and analysis drives ongoing improvements in product safety and efficacy over time. Ultimately, effective post-market surveillance helps protect the overall health and well-being of the public. Post-market monitoring is critical for ensuring the ongoing safety of medical products, but faces several key challenges. One major issue is underreporting. Many adverse events go unreported, limiting the data available for analysis and action. Data quality is also a concern. Ensuring the accuracy and completeness of reported information is essential for drawing reliable conclusions. Determining causality, or whether an adverse event is directly related to a specific product, can be complex and requires careful investigation. Finally, there is a need to balance the thoroughness of investigations with the need for timely action to address potential safety issues. The future of post-market monitoring is all about leveraging the latest technologies to enhance our capabilities. AI and machine learning will help us detect signals and analyze data more effectively, allowing us to identify potential safety issues faster. Real-time monitoring systems will enable quicker identification and response to emerging safety concerns. Engaging patients directly through user-friendly platforms will increase the volume and quality of safety reports we receive. Strengthening global collaboration is key to comprehensive post-market monitoring and ensuring patient safety worldwide. Post-market monitoring is crucial to continuously assess the ongoing safety of medical products, even after they've been approved and are in use. This is a collaborative effort. Health professionals, consumers, and regulators all play vital roles in reporting issues and detecting safety signals early. A proactive approach is key. Early reporting and signal detection can help prevent serious health problems down the line. When assessing therapeutic goods, it's important to take a balanced approach that considers both the risks and the benefits. As healthcare professionals, we all have an important role to play in post-market monitoring of therapeutic goods. First, it's crucial to stay informed. Keep up to date with communications and safety alerts so you're aware of any emerging issues. Second, report promptly if you encounter any unexpected reactions or device issues. Be sure to submit adverse event reports. This data is vital for identifying safety concerns. Third, educate your patients. Make sure they understand the importance of reporting adverse events. Empowering patients to be vigilant can greatly improve safety monitoring. Finally, by fulfilling these responsibilities, you're contributing to the overall safety of therapeutic goods for the entire community. Your active participation makes a real difference.